So I had a light on in the dash, flashing on the green light flashing on the drive. So seeing as how this one had the electrical board or whatever getting wet and everything, it had bunches of lights. Went ahead and replaced a new one. And so we can get that green flashing light to go away. We just gotta bleed the brakes and stuff. But I'll be back in a minute so we can start it up. See if the light goes away. Oh, it's gone.
What? They're gone. Every single one.